Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to share with you very amazing experience of a recent project I just finished. The project is about crafting a vintage Toyota Premio illustration for a winter hoodie design. In the world of digital artistry, capturing the essence of classic vehicles in modern fashion designs is a challenging yet rewarding endeavor. Recently, I embarked on a fascinating project to illustrate a vintage Toyota Premio for winter hoodie design, a task that demanded both creativity and precision. Okay, now let me talk about the concept of this project. The idea was to blend the timeless appeal of the Toyota Premio with the cozy and stylish element of a winter hoodie. This project was more than just a simple illustration. It was about creating a piece that evokes nostalgia while offering something fresh and innovative for winter fashion enthusiasts. Spanning over 5 hours, the creation of this detailed illustration required meticulous attention to detail. The first step was gathering reference images of the Toyota Premio to ensure accuracy in depicting its iconic features, from the sleek lines of its bodywork to the distinctive grille. Every element had to be faithfully represented. Once the initial sketches were laid out, the real challenge began, adding intricate details to bring the car to life. This included highlighting the reflections on the car's surface, the texture of the tires, and the subtle shadows that give the illustration a three-dimensional feel. What set this project apart was the creative approach taken to enhance the illustration. Instead of a straightforward representation, I infused the design with artistic flair, playing with colors and textures to make the car stand out against the winter-themed background. This not only highlighted the car's vintage charm, but also made the hoodie design visually compelling and unique. The final illustration is a testament to the fusion of classic automotive design and contemporary fashion. The vintage Toyota Premio, rendered with exquisite detail, now adorns a stylish winter hoodie, ready to be worn by those who appreciate both heritage and modernity. This project was a delightful challenge, pushing the boundaries of creativity and technical skill. It's a perfect example of how classic elements can be reimagined in new and exciting ways, bringing together the best of both worlds in a single, stunning design. Hope you guys like this video. Follow my I'll help you to be more professional. Thank you guys for watching this video.